Hello, everybody. My name is Karim, and I'm from the company Power Partners. In this video, I'm going to show and explain how you can use the client analysis dashboard. This video is actually a sequel to a previous video, so if you haven't checked the video out where I have explained how to connect your Odoo account to the Power BI dashboard in desktop that we have created, please check that one out first before continuing to watch this video. So let's go where we left in last video, namely the Power BI dashboard that we had connected to our Odoo account. So as you can see here, we have all the Odoo data. You can clearly see that there's not a lot of data because before August, there is nothing. In this first visual, you can see the monthly revenue and how it evolves throughout time. So for example, for August, you can see that this has almost been 30,000. Then for September, this has been less and it has been evolving ever since. Down you can see all the clients and always how the revenue are evolving. So you can see which clients are actually good for you and which clients are bad for the company. For example, Wood Corner, it seems that they have been losing revenue compared to their previous 3 months of revenue. So as you can see here on the top visual, this blue line is the 3-month average in revenue. And whenever this value is lower than the current month, then the month is green, because that means that your revenue is higher than expected, is higher than the 3-month previous average. Now, for example, if we select a company, for example, Lumber Inc., you can see that it filters out and you can see that the revenue has been changing quite a bit and that for this month of November, it's lower than for October. So when we filter in the top for Lumber Inc., then you can see that this month appears to be red. Why? Because the revenues are lower than the expected revenue, namely from the revenue from the average 3 months previously. If we choose another company, for example, we can even choose 2 companies together, for example, Lumber Inc. and Jackson Group, we can see as well that the revenue has been lower than expected. And then you can always select one company to see how much share it takes from the 2 selected companies, like this. Now this dashboard allows you to put your company logo here in the left corner to personalize this dashboard for your company. And other than that, you have also here in the middle a card to see how this month has been doing. So for example, for the month of November, the revenue has been clearly higher than the 3-month previous average. So you can see this green column is way higher than here the black dots. That's the reason why this is green. And this is higher with 66%. So this shows that your revenue is doing good. It is larger than the previous 3-month average. So that's it for the dashboard. If you have any questions on this topic, don't hesitate to reach out to us, Power Partners. Also, if you want to try out the dashboard a little bit for yourself, you can also always go to our site, because there is an interactive dashboard that you can try a little bit out yourself. I will show it right away. So if you go to our site and then you go to the blog, you can go towards the customer analytics Tinder for business. And if you click through on this image, you will have a link to this dashboard. You can try out a little bit yourself with more data. So here you can clearly see the bad months in red, the green months, and you can filter on whichever customer you'd like to filter on. So if you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to reach out.